welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today's video is going to be on this look here. Honestly did not know I was gonna create a smoky eye or like a gray smoky eye. Apparently, I don't know, this just randomly went total sideways, but I mean, honestly, I did like how this turned out. So if you want to know how I created the look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started because honestly, I don't know what I want to do today. I think I want to do like cool tone colors because I do see a shade that I like in the Jaclyn Hill palette that I wanted to use. So I'll probably go into that. And if you hear me whispering, guys, don't hate me. It's so awkward because like I'm now filming in my garage since I just felt like I was taking out the whole living room and it just felt like super like just not cute having my whole setup in the living room. And it's not like I like took down my lights and stuff like that, you know, when company came. Like I just left it all there, which was not cute. So now that it's like super cold, well, now that it's colder here in, you know, here in Texas, I just decided to go ahead and just start filming in the garage. But I just feel like people are like walking by and just hearing me talk to myself, so it's just awkward. But anyways, so I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I do feel like I want to do cool tone colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this palette first. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe 350M palette. And I'm gonna go in with, let's see what shade. I'll probably stick to, if I go like this, so I'll probably stick to these shades here. So I'll probably go in with this one first and see how that goes. But I don't know where to put it because I feel like it's gonna just fall. I'm like super high up in a chair and like I can't be bending down. I don't know, it's awkward. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with that shade. And I'm going in with the fluffy brush. These brushes don't have numbers. These are from Moda Studio, but honestly, there's like one of my favorite brushes. So I'm not applying that all, like, I'm just sticking to the crease. And of course, whatever excess that, you know, blends up, it's perfectly fine, but I don't want to normally do it like how I just smoke it all out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with another brush and then go in with this shade here and just apply that on my crease just to darken it up a little bit more. And if you can hear my dog, guys, he was crying to come inside to be with me. I kind of like it. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a darker cool tone brown, which even though they kind of look the same on camera, but they're really not, I promise. This one's lighter, and this was like a medium darker, and then like a darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one, and then just apply that also on my crease. Because I wanna get it as dark as possible without applying black, if that makes sense. Even though they kind of look like gray and black, but I promise they're not. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna insert what color I'm using on here somewhere. because if I lift it up, that is just gonna fall out. Like my son dug his whole fingernails, tiny little fingernails, all into that palette and just ruined it. And because he's just my little angel, I was upset. But you know, it happens. It happens. I got over it, you know. So anyways, I definitely can pull that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert, like I said, insert it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that shade. Oh my God, look at it. Ooh, bitch, she cute. I'm feeling this look now. So I want to finish the bottom lash line and darken it up. I'm gonna also add a little bit of black, like liner, you know, on the top and bottom, a little bit of just like the cream liner. I'm not gonna do a wing liner or anything like that because I want to just stay, like, my main focus is just the eye look. So if I feel like if I do the black wing liner, it's gonna just overpower the whole look. Just go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash line and all that good stuff. So then I'm gonna just go ahead and go in back with, since I'm smoking out the bottom lash line, I'm gonna just go back in with all the ones that I started with this palette. I'm going with this one, and then this one, and then this one, and just apply that all on my bottom lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a black liner, and then so that I can just smoke out my my shadow, smoke out my eyes a little bit. So then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and apply some lipstick, and then I'll be right. I did went ahead and applied my lashes, and I also applied the lipstick. Like with this particular lipstick, honestly, I didn't think I would like it because it's an LA colors lipstick. It's in the shade matte maroon. Let's see, it's this shade here. Yeah, it's actually not too, like, it's super cute. It's super buttery, honestly. I do like it. It's soft. I really did like it. So yeah, I don't remember how much I bought it for, but I'll definitely link all that information down below. Pretty much everything that I'm wearing on my face, promise, I definitely will link it down below. I also went ahead off camera, applied some liner, some liquid liner, because I feel like my lashes just were not cooperating. They just did not look cute. So I was like, let me just add liquid liner just to save the hassle of just trying to blend them in, right? So I went ahead and just applied the liner, but you don't have to if you do decide to recreate this look. But I think that completes the look, guys. I do want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.